another day of rebuilding, and today I woke up dizzy. So today is the 11th. My clothes were still wet from yesterday because it has been raining since yesterday, but it wasn't really dried like that. So I had to hang up a bit this morning for it to dry up totally so I can start my training. And I look outside and I realized the rain was coming again. I ran outside to rescue my clothes before they got soaked all over again. Yeah. While I waited for my clothes to dry up, I had to watch some YouTube for ideas.
I turned another year older. Time for some hobbies. And went out into the world for a bit. I won't really know about this long.
To research and also to build something. Because even on a dizzy morning, the work does not stop. Once the clothes dried up, I quickly had to drink my Detox. So we just finished our day 11th. Yeah. Let's drink our detox. Let's pray for me. Pray for me. Today, I woke up feeling very dizzy. I needed food. Yeah, so I was like, let me just get some food I eat this morning and shift my training to tomorrow. It doesn't matter, so tomorrow I can still do it anyways. I was like, no, I need to do this every day. And regardless of how stressful it was, I still had to show up. I just finished my day 11th training and I also drank my detox. Guys, we did it. Yeah. So the 11th done. I had a DC morning, rain drama, wet clothes, and I still train anyway. That is what rebuilding is about. Not perfect, just real. I'm Bibi, rebuilding my life one messy morning at a time. See you tomorrow.